Hello guys, welcome back to CAD/CAM e-learning. Today we are going to start assembly modeling series and the first tutorial of this series in which we are going to develop a water tap. As you can see, this assembly has got 9 components. That is why I have divided this tutorial into 4 parts as shown. Again, for each part I have set up the orthographic views so that we don't have to switch between windows again and again. Please watch my another video to learn how to set up orthographic views in SolidWorks. The link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's start with our part 1 of this tutorial. Open the file of component 1 in SolidWorks. See the orthographic views are already set up. Select front plane and start sketching the traverse section of the tap body. Draw horizontal and vertical axes. Draw 2 vertical references line. One angular reference line and one arc. Make the arc tangent to the horizontal axis. Define the positions of the reference lines. Define the position of this point. Define the angle and radius of arc. Draw the upper boundary as shown. Define its dimension and constraints as shown. Now draw the lower boundary and define the dimensions. Now select center arc and draw this arc with center on vertical axis. Define the distance of this arc from horizontal axis, which can be seen in the side views as shown. Now draw a horizontal line and draw an arc. Make it tangent to this line and concentric to central arc. Now exit the sketch and enter 3D sketch to draw circular sections across the previous sketch, except for the central one. For the central one, sketch on side plan. Draw horizontal and vertical axes. Draw a vertical line. Draw the bottom arc and define its center. Pierce it on bottom edge as shown. Draw the upper central arc now. Define its center and pierce on the upper edge. Now fillet between upper arc and the vertical line. Mirror about the vertical axis and exit the sketch. Now press boundary boss and select the 5 sections in direction 1. Drag the connection points on each section to bring into one direction. Now select the upper and lower sections one by one using Selection Manager. Press OK to complete the boundary boss. Now for upper portion, sketch on top plane. Extrude blind upward. Apply fillets on the corners as shown. Now in order to make it hollow, select shell feature and select the three faces. The thickness is 3 mm, but it is creating some impossible geometry inside due to profile variation. So let's try 2.95 mm. And yes, it goes okay. Now for this flange, draw a sketch on side plan. Draw a center circle and define its radius. Exit the sketch. Extrude blind with a starting offset of 34.5. Now for central element, draw a sketch on front plane. Draw horizontal and vertical axes. Draw a couple of lines on right side to form a closed loop. Define the dimensions and angles with horizontal axis. Similarly, draw a couple of lines on left side to form a closed loop. Define the dimensions and angle with horizontal axis. Exit the sketch. Enter the revolution feature. Select axis of revolution in selected counter box. Select the right portion and enter 180 for half revolution. Select mid-plane to half revolve around vertical axis. Unselect merge results so that we can intersect it with tab body later. Similarly, half revolve the left section. Now press intersect and select the top body and 2 revolves and press intersect. Now select the protruding parts of the 2 revolves to delete them from tab body. Press OK to complete the intersect. Now we have to apply these fillets, for which we have to section the part to get access to inside. See, now we can access to inside of the body. Apply fillet to both edges. Now apply the fillets on outer body one by one. Now apply threads M20 by 1.5 on outside of the vertical section up to blind length of 6. Now to apply thread here, we have to create overlapping extrude because the profile section of loft and boss features are treated as boundaries by SolidWorks and thread could not be applied on boundary spaces. Select the face and sketch using convert entities. Exit the sketch. Extrude blind up to 10. Now apply thread M15 by 1.5 on outside of this section. Now for these square threads, which are not the standard one, we have to use the sweep cut feature. Go to the curve button and select helical and spiral tool. Select the upper face as starting point of the helical curve. Extrude the inner circle. Exit sketch. Enter 2 in pitch, 13 in height and starting angle as 90 degree. Confirm the helical curve and exit. Now draw a sketch on front plane. Draw a rectangle as profile of sweep cut. Define its dimension and make it coincident with helical curve starting point. Exit the sketch. Now enter sweep cut. Select profile and guide. Press OK to complete the square thread. So finally our component 1, that is tab body, is complete. Now let's meet you in the next part to continue the development of water tap. If you have learned something new from this tutorial, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification of my next videos. Thanks for keep watching and liking CAD-CAM e-learning. Take care.